So it is the third week of summer, and although I haven't really been making as many videos as I like to, today I'm gonna get out there and just have some fun with my drone, my camera, and my dog. And the whole goal is to see what kind of cool shots we can come up with while we're out in the water. Let's go. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Let's do it. Oh yeah, here he comes. The good news is no one's out here. We got it all to ourselves. Let's go see what the falls looks like. I bet that's running well. Let's do it. All right, we made it to the dam. We've been getting lots of rain lately, so it's flowing real good. Check it out. Oh yeah. Very successful drone sesh. Water's looking so good. I don't even know if you can hear me right now because of how loud that is. We've had a lot of rain lately, but well, at least no one's here. Cheers, y'all.